You're in the way of my tool receiving.
All right, what's going on, guys? So we're back at Mike's house again, except this time we're not working on my car. We're working on that man's car right there. So, you want to tell us what the hell happened?
With the old Speed 6?
Yeah, it's a... Let's go over. What is this? This is a 2006 Mazdaspeed 6. And you've had some problems with it in the past, right?
Yeah. Well, since I bought the car, it's had a misfire. I've never really figured that out.
Okay.
And it turned out to be coil packs the first time, but I only replaced 2 of them because I went to Mazda and they said I only need 2 of them. Because I wouldn't run past like half throttle.
Yeah.
I would just hit the gas and it would fall on its face.
So now, before you take it apart, do you want to give them a quick video showing what's happening?
Of what?
Just like
what it sounds like?
How it sounds? Because it sounds absolutely horrendous.
Yeah, well, so the misfire came back because I fixed it for a while. It was good for a while.
Yeah, it was doing really well.
And then recently, a couple days ago, I would hit half throttle again and it would come back, and then like a dumbass, I saw Joe and decided to hit 2-step, and I think I blew one of the coil
So
packs
you went over
out.
to Joe's to pick him up, and you're like, oh, let me hit some 2-step.
Yeah, well, I saw Joe. I was like, oh, well, I guess got to hit 2-step.
All right, I'm gonna go behind the car to get a nice startup. Great. So now, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna go to the front of the car to get like an engine view. So, all right, you can cut it. I don't know if you can tell there, but there's like a misfire, like a pretty bad one. Yeah, even the engine was doing one of these jobs. Like the whole thing was shaking a little bit. From the back, it almost sounds like a Subaru, which
It reeks like gas.
And it also reeks like gas. So what we're thinking is one of the coil packs, you know, one of these here units right here, one of these might have gone bad, and that's what's causing the misfire problem. So we're gonna go ahead, take off the top mount intercooler, and see where we are after that. I think honestly what you should do is start it and I'll unplug the first one. We'll try that first.
Can you get to the plug in the first?
No, start it right now. And I'll unplug that first one to see if it happens, you know? To see if it just keeps going. You know what, once we get the intercooler off, we can probably pull the spark plugs out and see which one looks like it's fouled or has gas on it.
Yeah, that's true.
You know? So that way we can kind of get an idea and then troubleshoot from there.
Yeah, they were all in here, Mike.
Alright. We go for it?
Yeah. It's the first one. Yeah. Yeah, it's off. It's the first one.
That's easy. I did not think it was going to run that good on 3 cylinders.
Alright guys, so I don't know if you just saw, but we started the car and I unplugged this coil pack right here. And the car continued to misfire and run like crap. So what we're thinking is it's that one. So from here we're gonna pull off the intercooler, pull all of the spark plugs out and try to see which one looks the worst. And just to try and like cross check and make sure that's the exact one, and maybe swap 2 coil packs to see if it changes anything. So we're going right now. We got the top mount intercooler off, and now we are gonna pull off each and every one of these, and then pull the spark plugs out just to see like if any of them, if they all look bad or just one looks bad, or you know, just kind of. We really want to see what the first one is, if that one's the bad one or not. And then also, Mike, why don't we try and wait? Are these the new ones?
No, these weird looking.
These two are the new ones,
Yeah,
so that might still be under warranty.
One's failed.
Yeah, well, they're AutoZone.
Yeah, so that might have failed. You know? Like, AutoZone parts are known to be kind of sketchy, as we saw with my axle, you know? What was that, a year and a half of use and it was already blown?
Yeah, well, it was fucking not supposed to have 350 horsepower.
We don't talk about that. Alright guys, so I'm thinking that, well, we were thinking that this spark plug could be the reason for the misfire. If you look at it, let me zoom in. Alright, if you look at it, the head of that spark plug is like, really, it's not pointed. It's kind of round, it's kind of off-center. Yeah, it's a little bit lopsided. So we're gonna pull off one more spark plug and just try and see if it's any different, if it's better, if it's worse. If it's severely different and it looks way better, we're gonna replace that spark plug with one of the iridiums that we have laying over here. If it runs better, we know that that's the fix, and if it doesn't run any better, then we're gonna keep trying, I guess. What do you think, bud?
Well, I'm just thinking, why does that spark plug look like shit?
Well, yeah. That's the point. Like, we need to figure out if they all look the same.
Yeah, let's see what the number 2 is.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the second spark plug out, and what do you know? It's way better than the first spark plug. So, let's take a look really quick.
Deja vu, huh?
Yeah. This was the first spark plug right here. We pulled this one out first. Wrong. We pulled this one out first. And it actually looks really bad. Wow, that's terrible. This was the second one that we pulled out, and it looks so much better. It actually looks like an iridium type spark plug. You know,
It looks like a normal spark plug.
Yeah, it's got the needle point and everything. It's good to go. So we're gonna replace that first spark plug with an NGK spark plug to see if it fixes the problem. Right here, nice, fresh, looking good. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna replace. Oh God, focus, not focus. Zoom. So we're gonna replace that first spark plug, put it back together, start the car, cross our fingers that was the problem. Once again, if not, troubleshooting continues.
I mean, it is a Mazda.
Well,
It's a Ford. What are you talking about?
it's a Ford.
You fucking love Fords.
You're a Ford guy. Look, what is this? What do we have right here? Oh look, it's an MZR. It's a Mazda. What do you know? Oh wait. I'm pretty sure that says Mustang.
Oh, that's why it's so slow.
That's why it's slow.
Thanks, bud.
Okay. We're gonna get to it. And this thing is the next build, I'm thinking.
Is it?
Yeah, we need to make like 700 wheel on a Mazdaspeed 6.
Maybe.
How many
If it
times
blows up and I just come into 30 grand.
How many diffs you plan on replacing?
No. I just gotta get
the bracket.
I just gotta get the
Yeah.
bracket and I could be blown any diffs.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys didn't know, there's a bracket on this car that's like the thickness of a soda can. So if you decide to launch the car ever, it's gonna do what is that called? Shearing. It's gonna shear right off.
I think it's as thick. I think it's how it's set up.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
just a
kind
shit
of like a
design.
really weird shape that comes down center and then over, and then the bolts are on the side of the
okay,
diff.
so it's like an L shape that like
yeah, so it's like down like this, over, and then this is where the diff mounts to the
so
side.
like the aftermarket one's just more supported in those like
It
brake
basically
pads.
No, well, there's also like 2 other bolts that you put into it.
Yeah.
Like they use 2 other bolts on the diff. I think.
Mike, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, dickhead.
Why are you putting this plastic cover back on, right?
Yeah.
We don't know if it's fixed yet.
Yeah.
We're just hoping.
We're crossing our fingers hard right now.
It's 2 bolts. I'm not too worried about it.
Well, 1.5.
I may have pulled a Donny right here.
See, I told you it wasn't me. It was you. I have not. No, I quit, dude. I'm done. See it. I'm out. Yo, peace, dudes. I'm out. Later. So we're starting the car for the first time after we replace that spark plug. Hopefully everything goes as planned and the car runs good. Give it a start. So we're still having the same problem. I mean, the only thing I can think of is it's the coil pack, you know? And because the coil pack was bad, the spark plug went bad. Because it was just being beat on, you know what I mean? It is currently 10:28 at night, so that means that all auto parts stores are closed.
Is it 10:30 at night?
It's 10:30. Focus. Thank you. Yeah, so it's about 10:30 at night. All the auto parts stores are closed. I guess all we can do is wait till tomorrow.
Yeah. What are you doing tomorrow?
Working. But after work, got nothing going on. We can get back to this, or you can fix it before I get out of work and tell me to screw myself.
Probably that.
So, what a sad ending for a sad video. We'll see this Mazda hopefully tomorrow running. Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm just getting out of work. We're going back over to Mike's to finish up the job that we started yesterday. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're ready to go. I'm gonna head over to Mike's and take you guys with me. We're continuing from where we left off yesterday with the what was it? The coil pack issue. Hopefully everything goes as planned. Oh gosh. Alright guys, oh no, I'm stuck on something. Alright guys, so I made a quick stop over at Aaron's house. I'm gonna pick him up, he's gonna help us today instead of just me and Mike and his brother. It's gonna be me, Aaron, and Mike. So we're waiting for him to come out of his house that has a snowy as hell driveway. But yeah, he's gonna do a little recording on the way there. Maybe I'll do a little pull, get some of that on film. But yeah. Look at this guy. What's up, guy? What's going on, bro?
Getting this sweet content.
Heck yeah, dude. Always gotta be recording.
Oh yeah, recording my shitty ass driveway.
It's snowy, you can't even tell.
Oh yeah.
Did you the button?
Oh yeah, I'm recording, bud. I do hate you, by the way.
God, I love this car.
I do too. I miss my fucking car. Just showed up at Mike's house. Ooh, he's giving you the finger. He said stop.
I'm gonna back up. He's telling me to fuck off.
Oh yeah, but I don't know if he's telling you to fuck off permanently.
Should I just...
I don't know.
Should I send it?
I don't know. We should ask him. Oh, you're just gonna do it anyway.
It's recording, so... I have to remove that strap because it always gets stuck on things.
Gets caught on shit like my penis.
Probably not that because it's too small. God, the snow sucks. But yeah, we're here at Mike's. Oh, he's got the doggo. What's up, bud? We're gonna take the F1 Shitty down to Advanced, I think he said. Leave the Rex here. And then fix this thing up. Hey, bud. How you doing?
What's to do?
I didn't realize what you had in your hand, so I was like,
What?
I didn't realize you had, like, salt in your hand.
Either way, I'm walking down the driveway. You fucking send it up.
I don't know. I'm just gonna send it right into you.
Oh, I figured I would.
Jack money.
I don't want to hear it.
You're an idiot.
How you knees,
Don't hit the Rex.
It's close, isn't it? Wow.
You told me to park there. I could have parked here. But you told me to fuck off.
Exactly.
And my knees are doing mid. Thanks, buddy.
I think I'm gonna try this one again.
Why would I brought it?
I'm just curious what it looks like.
Yeah, Dorney, I bought this sweatshirt from BM Fit Gear, like Bradley Martin.
Real easy.
Yeah. And I tried to
So we're having a hard time getting up the driveway.
I thought that was reverse.
All right, Michael. So four-wheel drive doesn't work on this truck anymore for whatever reason. I think there's a vacuum line. He said, or some stupid shit. You can back up. Good show, buddy. Good show. All right. Well, Mike's just gonna park there, and we're gonna work on the Mazda. Since the Mazda can actually make it up a driveway, it has that all-wheel drive type stuff. We're good. It was just a coil pack. We're good to go.
It'd make a really interesting video.
What?
It'd make a really interesting video. Car doesn't work, put a coil back in, now it works.
So yeah, the car runs freaking good now. Well, as good as it can. It's a Mazda. Alright boys, well that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe.
That was a fire outro.
Yeah, what the
You really hooked that one up.
fuck is this thing?
Saw it.
You're not.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.